Hello my friends and welcome. My name is Dennis and as you probably know, I'm the airline pilot. Today I'm gonna fly to Tashkent. It's a very interesting city. It's far away from Kiev, Borispol, and the weather here is absolutely nasty. It's autumn weather. In Tashkent the weather is very similar. The fume, the visibility 4 kilometers. The last time I was in Tashkent was in 2003. Actually, it's a very interesting story. I'm Ukrainian, but I was living there. So, long story. You may check it out on my streams. Today, we're gonna fly the Boeing 737-900 Papa Sierra Kilo. Let's go. Pum pum. As you see, not many people this time of the day. And I'm going to briefing. Guys, have you seen the movie Terminal with Tom Hanks? So actually here we have the guy. He's out somewhere, but he lives here in Borispol airport for 4 months already. He's an American citizen and he has also the scooter. I'm unable to find him now, but I'll put his video with him. There's the guy.
You have food, I need food, I need bottle of water. I need someone help me to buy me this medicine, please. Please, I beg you.
No, I'm going for the flight now, but then I can help you.
Please. It's just last 2 weeks. I'm leaving the airport.
How many months are you here? How many?
2 months now.
2 months?
2 months.
Or 3 months?
No, 2 months.
2 months.
There is someone is 3 months or more, Canadian guy in the service.
Okay. It's for the vlog. Then I come to the airport, I'll help you.
I need this medicine, please, and I need food. Thank you so much.
But it will be early morning.
Today?
Yeah, tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning.
Yeah, I will help him with his medicine. Police has no any influence on him. Actually, once they protected the guy from the robberies. Very interesting case. So 2 months, I'm probably wrong, but actually I saw him maybe for 4 months. So I'm in the gate now, and as you can see, very interesting stories in Borispol. Before, like 1 year ago, it was UK citizen also stuck here or just lived here for half a year. Our airplane, Boeing 737-900. It's the longest possible version of NG. And Papa Sierra Kilo, I like this airplane. Let's go to the cockpit. Oh, the cockpit. Home sweet home. Hey. So I'm gonna fly from the right hand seat and coming back from the left hand seat. Today it's like that. Gonna fly not all the night, but mostly. Pum pum.
Before taxi checklist.
Taxi checklist: generators on, prop heat on, anti-ice, engine anti-ice on, air condition packs, auto isolation valve, auto engine start switches, continuous recall, check auto brake, RTO, engine start levers,
idle data,
key transponder, Alton flight controls, check ground equipment,
left side clear,
right area is clear. Before taxi checklist completed.
Просим.
Ukraine International 201, request taxi. Выключай свет, да?
Ukraine International 201, taxi to holding point runway 18 left via Charlie 2 and Bravo.
Clear Charlie 2 Bravo to holding point runway 18 left, Ukraine International 201.
Left side clear.
Ukraine International 201, line up runway 18 left and be advised traffic on final 10 miles, Boeing 737.
Line up runway 18 left, Ukraine International 201.
Before takeoff procedure.
Completed.
Before takeoff checklist.
APU.
International 1
Off.
Papa Golf.
Flaps.
Доброго вечера.
5 green lights.
Stabilizer 3.
6 units.
Ukraine International 1 Papa Golf. Доброго вечера. Continue approach 18 left.
Transponder.
Boeing 737 will depart ahead of you.
Weather ready HBWS.
Weather ready lesson.
Skype 2 locate
HBWS, right.
and taxi right again via Bravo, contact ground 118.05, до побачення. Alpha Frozen Bravo 118.05, Skype 22, до побачення, дякую.
Освободил.
Ukraine International 201, cloud base, 900 meters, wind 230 degrees, 3 meters per second, 18 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 18 left, Ukraine International 201. Full
Full
lights.
lights. Thrust and 1, check engine stable.
Both engines stabilized.
Check and 1 toga, reduce takeoff thrust. 23 минут.
And 1 toga, Reduce takeoff thrust. Check. Normal. $80 knots.
Check 8.
V1.
V1.
Rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Yeah.
Ukraine
Hell no.
1 Papa Golf,
Check.
cloud base, 90 meters, wind 230 degrees, 3 meters per second, runway 1 at left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 18.
400
Decimal 1
feet
Papa
without
Golf.
speed.
Check.
That's an 800 speed flips up. Climb thrust.
Работа.
Работаем. Yeah, brother. Hello, International 201 with you. Password 12.
Ukraine 201, Kiev, добрый вечер, identified, climb to flight level 270, flight direct Gobli.
Direct Gobli, climb level 270, International 201. 27.
270 check. Flaps 1.
Speed check. Flaps 1.
Gobli active point.
Gobli agree?
Agree.
Gobli active, sir.
Flaps,
One green line.
Flaps up.
Speed check. Flaps up. Up, no lights.
After takeoff procedure checklist.
Procedure completed. Checklist. Engine bleeds on. Parks. Auto. Pressurization. Normal. Landing gear up and off. Flaps up. No lights. Auto checklist
Ukraine
auto
230,
complete.
Kiev, добрый вечер, identified, descent till to 3000 feet and bound left off, clear to approach runway 1 at left.
Pum pum. Yes guys, it's a long flight, but the weather was absolutely gorgeous. The clear night sky opened the view to see the stars, and the grey moonlight showed the picture of terrain. For example, here are Caucasian mountains just in the front of the airplane, and we were flying in Azerbaijan airspace by that time. Hey guys, we are flying at the cruising flight level 350, and soon we're gonna cross the border with Uzbekistan. So just want to show you. The Kopak is here, the point where we should cross the border, and there's the Tashkent over there. We have a tailwind for the flight, so it's quite good. No worries, everything is safe because the other pilot is controlling the flight. It's now the pilot monitoring and pilot flying. So we took off from Brisbane, we've flown overhead the Black Sea, Caspian Sea, and here's the former Aral Sea. If you see it, today it's night time, we will not see it, but if you see it on the daytime, you will not find the water there, almost no water, because of the climate change and let's say human factor. The Aral Sea, well, it's actually the lake, used to be the fourth biggest lake in the world, but in 1960s Soviets decided to take the water from main rivers Amudarya and Sirdarya that feeded Aral Sea actually, and the water was taken for agricultural needs. Because of that water supply reduction, the sea just couldn't keep its size and just started to evaporate. New surface was open to the sun rays, and that increased the temperature in that region, and that increased the evaporation of the sea in its turn. So we have the chain and vent that led to the deserted region right now, because now there is almost no water. There used to be many boats, ships, fishermen and villages around the sea, but now not anymore. You can just see abandoned rusty ships lying on the sand floor, surrounded not by water but by camels. Even though it was at night time, but I was lucky to get a couple of pictures of that sea. Here's the Tashkent. In Tashkent we have 2 of the runways, so probably it will be runway 08 right for us. So the mountains are here, and we'll take this approach, I think, of that vacate via taxiway 1415 to the Appron. Very simple airport to fly, but first time for me actually to fly there. The flight continues, and just in the front I saw the lights of Tashkent city. It was so bright, it was so big, and under the moonlight I saw the mountains just behind the city. The picture was absolutely awesome, and we got ourselves ready for approach. Everything was done in the cockpit, everything was ready for the straight-in ILS. However, we got into some little problem with that. The air traffic controller just told us that the airport is closed for the VIP reason and we need to hold for 30 minutes. However, we had fuel to hold just for 20 or maximum 25 minutes. So we found ourselves in a holding pattern not far away from the final, and immediately we requested the weather in our alternate airport. Flying to alternate airport is the greatest safe option, and you need to have it all the time. So you need to have the fuel to fly to your alternate airport and hold there for 30 minutes. There are some commitment to destination, but if the airport is closed you cannot do it. And if you go to alternate, yes, it's money for the airline, but also you need to deal with your duty time, because the flight is already long. You will be at the edge of the duty time limit. And also, yes, you need to deal with the passengers, whether it's okay to refuel with passengers on board at your alternate airport, or you have to disembark. That will increase the time for your flight and duty time, of course. So it's always a challenge and go no go decision. So for us it was more convenient just to hold, but of course we had the limit, not more than 25 minutes as I said for you for the holding. And I constantly updated the air traffic controller with situation we had, with the time remaining, with the fuel remaining, and I asked for the clearance. Please give us clearance if it's possible for the approach in Tashkent airport. And finally they say, okay, the airport is open and you may proceed to final. It was great news. Totally the holding time for us was not more than 15 minutes. And let's just see the approach itself, my friends. Pam pam. 30 green light. And start switch. Speed brake. Landing gear. Flaps. Heavy notification. Okay, landing is complete, clear to land. Okay. 08 right.
Тоннаж такой.
Да.
Чек. $1,000.
$500. Check.
500. 400.
much you minimum?
Approaching minimums.
Oh,
Minimums. 200. $100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
speed brake up, auto brake in use, reverses, normal.
Require International 201, lucky to the left, right, taxiway on board and cross runway 0 at left to taxiway 4.
Lucky 4, cross 08 left for taxiway 4, International 201. 1 to the left first. My friends, I cannot show you the apron, the airport, the parking stand because of that VIP traffic. So what I was able to shoot is just one picture. So this picture, and sorry about it. However, there will be the second part. For this one, please follow the awesome guy checklist. So first, just like this video, after that, subscribe to my channel, and finally, ring the bell, whatever it means. Thank you very much for watching this video, and have a great time! Pam pam.